Today we are going to introduce the improved scene state in SimLab Composer, making it more efficient and optimized. Light scene state allows you to capture the selected object status, providing greater flexibility and improving the performance. Another key enhancement is the ability to recapture a scene state without needing to create a new one or reattach it in the training builder. This recapture feature streamlines your workflow, allowing for quicker adjustments and easier management of scene states. To create a scene state in SimLab Composer, start by selecting the object you wish to include. Then, click on Capture from the Scene State section. Next, choose the specific properties of the object you want to capture, such as material, transform, or visibility. Give your scene state a descriptive name for easy identification, and click on Capture to finalize the new scene state. Additionally, a new feature in the scene state allows you to view the affected objects. To use this feature, click on the scene state, then select Affected Objects from the Properties section. This will show you which objects are impacted by the scene state. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use light scene states to fix an issue with color customization on an office chair. Specifically, one button is mistakenly set to change the chair's backrest to the wrong color. We'll recapture the scene state to correct this color assignment, ensuring that each button updates the chair's color accurately as intended. Now let's begin. First, change the object color to the correct shade you want. Ensure this adjustment reflects the desired color for the final experience. Then, select the scene state that you need to modify. Then, in the Scene State section, click on Recapture Scene State to update the scene state with the new color settings. Now let's test it.